Welcome back to the channel. In today's IELTS Vocabulary Masterclass, we're diving deep into 5 high-level words that can help you stand out in both writing and speaking tasks. These words are not just impressive, they're perfect to boost your band score. Let's get started. Our first word is ineffable. Ineffable is an adjective meaning too great or extreme to be described in words, something simply indescribable. The word is typically pronounced as ineffable. Here's a breakdown of the pronunciation. In as in. EF with the stress on this syllable, similar to EFF, as in effect. A schwa sound, similar to the A in sofa. Ending with a light buhl sound. So, you might say it as ineffable. Let's say it together, ineffable. Example sentences. 1. The view from the mountaintop was ineffable, it left us speechless. 2. She felt an ineffable sense of joy when she held her baby for the first time. Tip. This word works well in IELTS Speaking Part 2 test when describing emotional experiences. Next, we have laconic.
No.
It's used to describe a person or response that is brief and to the point, often seeming mysterious or rude. The word laconic is typically pronounced as laconic. Here's a breakdown of the pronunciation. The first syllable is pronounced like lu with a schwa sound. Con or con, the second syllable is the stressed syllable. It sounds like con, with a as in cot. Ik, the final syllable is pronounced as ik, with a short a sound followed by ake sound. So, you might hear it as laconic. Example sentences. 1. His laconic replies made the interview awkward. 2. She gave a laconic nod and walked away. IELTS tip. This word is excellent when describing personality traits or communication styles in IELTS Writing Task 2. The third word is munificent. Munificent describes someone who is extremely generous or more generous than required. The word munificent is typically pronounced as munificent. Detailed breakdown. Mu, this sounds like mayu. Nif, the syllable with primary stress, it rhymes with if but with an N at the start. Essent, a sequence of syllables that sound like asunt. So, in a more conversational form, you might say it as munificent. Example sentences. 1. The university received a munificent donation from an alumnus. 2. Her munificent nature made her beloved by everyone. Usage tip. This word is perfect when discussing charity or acts of generosity in IELTS Writing Task 2. Word number 4 is obdurate. Obdurate refers to a person who is stubborn and refuses to change their opinion or actions. Pronunciation obdurate. Breakdown. Ob or ob, stressed syllable, pronounced like ob, British, short o as in pot, American, broad a as in father. Diu, sounds like diu, like the beginning of duel. Rit or arit, ends with a soft rut or a rut. You may say it as obdurate. Example sentences. 1. Despite all the evidence, he remained obdurate in his beliefs. 2. The obdurate judge refused to reduce the sentence. IELTS tip. Use obdurate when discussing topics that involve strong, unyielding opinions or controversial issues. Our final word today is pernicious. Pernicious is used to describe something that has a harmful effect, often in a subtle or gradual manner. Pronunciation of pernicious. Here's how to say pernicious. Breakdown of sounds. Pa or per, an unstressed pu sound, schwa. Nish, the stressed syllable nish, as in finish, without the f. S, an unstressed as, schwa plus s. So you'd pronounce it roughly like pernicious, with the emphasis on the nish part. Example sentences. 1. The pernicious effects of social media on mental health are becoming more apparent. 2. Corruption is a pernicious force in many governments. Usage tip. Pernicious works well in contexts describing societal issues or gradual negative impacts, which can be useful in IELTS discussions. Now it's time for a quick quiz, to see how well you remember these words. Instructions for the quiz. Guess the correct word for each sentence. Advanced level. 5 questions. 10 seconds per quiz. Pause the video if you need more time. Before you start, please help me to like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Let's start. How did you do the quiz? Did you score 5 out of 5? Please leave your score in the comments section. Share with me which word you're excited to start using. Today we explored 5 powerful vocabulary words. Ineffable, Laconic, Munificent, Obdurate, Pernicious. I hope you enjoyed these deeper explanations and examples. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also check out our IELTS vocabulary playlist for more lessons. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.